Katie's Garage. Quick little video here. I'm going to show you this light and it's what's wrong with it. So what is this thing? Utilitec. This is a massive. This is one of my very good, bright, nice shop lights. Expensive too. And the switch broke on it. So to get this and this to this right here, I had to take all this off. There's 4 screws. 3 screws. 3 screws. This piece separates. Then there's 4 screws on the bottom of this. You take the 4 screws off there. Then this piece comes off, and then you can get to these wires. I didn't know what I was doing. This just snaps in. You see, it's got little clips. I don't think there's a way to get this out without taking this apart. So once I had this apart, I was able to just push these clips in and pull this out. And then I reassembled it. I bought some new. Here's the broken one. There's like broken tabs on the side here. I don't know if you can see it right there. I think there's supposed to be little pieces. These are little metal pieces that are inside. Anyway, I bought off Amazon. I'll put a link to these switches. I think they're gonna work. Yeah, it looks very similar. I don't know if, let's see. Hey, yeah, I think that's gonna work fine. So yeah, so I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if you can get this out without taking this whole thing apart. I didn't know what I was doing, trying to figure out what it was. So that's what I did. Now that I've done it, maybe I could jam something in there, a screwdriver in here or something, to try to get it for next time. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just going to replace it. I'm just going to pull one of these wires off at a time. I just don't know which way is which. Here's the insides. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's got the same. These two are close. These two are far away. I'm just going to put it that way, like that. Just like that. I'm going to move these wires over. I'll be right back and I'll show you. Hopefully this thing works. But this is what I found online. Amazon. I think it's going to work. And when this one breaks, I have others. You can't just buy one, or it wasn't even economically feasible to buy just one. So I just bought a whole bunch. I mean, I have this other light. It probably has the same. Yeah, it does. It looks like it's got the same switch. So if this one breaks, I'll have an extra. I have extras. Anyway, let me put it on pause. I'm going to pull these off, put new ones on. Let's see if this sucker works. Of course, not easy. They actually, I thought I could just pull this off. They solder it on. So now I got to figure. Yep, it's just totally soldered on. Do I want to solder it on, or do I want to put ends on here, and then so I can make it just slide on? I'll focus on this. Focus. Anyway, soldered on. I mean, I can unsolder it and then solder it back on. It's just, I thought it was gonna be easy. Unplug, plug. Oh well, I'll be back. Okay, this is what I opted to do. I got these connectors. I cut them. Just crimp these guys on there. And now, on. It's really bright, and off. Fixed it. So now I'm just going to take it, unplug it, push this in. There, snapped in. Oh, shoot. I think I was supposed to put this on there first. Shoot. I'm never getting this on. Actually, I don't even know if it fit on these guys. Yeah, it did. There's the old broken one. Oh boy. Well, I'm gonna see if I can pry this out maybe, or somehow just stick this in there. This protects it from getting dirt and junk in there. Maybe I can get a screwdriver and just pry it in there. Let's figure it out. Okay, I got lucky. I was able to just gently pry this out. So you can actually get it out. I just stuck the screwdriver in there and just slowly pried it out. So it's in like this, and you have the clips on either the right and left side. So I stuck a screwdriver on that side, hit this clip in, and pop that side out. Did the same thing on the other side, pop that side out. Got it out, put the little plastic deal on. Let's make sure it works. Yep, it works. It probably broke from me dropping it. I'm sure I dropped this thing once or twice. Anyway, got my light back. I was using this little light here. This one just doesn't give enough spotlight. It's good for ambient light. It's not good for lighting up like spotlight area. Anyway, that's it. So, like I said, I will give a link in the description below so you can buy these little switches. You won't have to do, I did all the research for you. And if you have these kind of lights, Utilitec, same thing. You can just switch out these switches. I mean, it's expensive light not to be able to use it because of a switch. So, and I don't remember how much these weren't that expensive. Anyway, thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be about, but you'll see me in it. Take it easy. Bye.